Say boo.
Boo.
When you open the door.
I'm like, hey boo, boo.
But girl.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deasia, but you can call me D, and this is day 9 of my Slaytober series where I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of October. Today is like, I would say, like an easy ghosted look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. Starting out with my eyebrows, I'm going in with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4. This is new, I just got this today. I let my sister have my other one. So what I'm going to do is going to brush my eyebrows up and just fill them in. Using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW40, I'm going to clean up under my brows. And I'm going to blend it down. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to prep my eye with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 3.75. I like this concealer because it's so thick. Next, I'm going to go in with my BH Ultimate Neutrals palette. And the first shade I'm going to use is this dark brown shade in the corner right here. Next, from the same palette, I'm going to be using this brown color right here. I'm going to go right on top of that dark brown color I just put down. After I pat the color in, then I'm going to go over top and blend it out. I'm just going to go back and forth between those two colors just to get that blend. And then on top of that, in my transition, I'm going to use this light. Which color did I use? I think I used this light color right here in my transition. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 0, and I'm going to put that in the front. Next, in that same palette, I'm using the same palette for today's look, as I'm going to use this white at the bottom. And I'm going to put that right on top of that base. I don't know where my black eyeliner is, so I've just been using my Athena You Can Be paint palette, and I've been going in with that black shade. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm not gonna make a wing liner because I just don't feel like it. But what I did finally get today is some more mascara. That's some more mascara, my favorite mascara, Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. So I'm gonna pop these on and I'm gonna pop my lashes on and I'll be right back. Ain't nothing like a new bottle of mascara, I tell you. Okay, I decided to draw my ghost first, like a little outline, and then go on top with my face routine. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna do one. Let's do one right here. Cover this acne up. So to fill in my ghost, I'm using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 0. Spooky. Now I'm gonna go in with that same white eyeshadow that I used in the beginning from the same BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, and I'm gonna use this. So I'm going to take my Athena You Can't Be paint palette. I'm going in with that black paint and I'm going to use that to draw my little faces on my ghost. So with that same black paint, I'm going to outline my ghost with my small detail brush. Okay, so I put foundation all over my face already. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 14. I'm going to put a little bit under this eye. And I'm going to put a little bit right there. Some of my nose. And then I'm going to take my contour stick in the shade Benin. And contour. I'm going to contour one side of my face, of course, because it won't make sense. Put a little bit on my forehead. I love me some forehead contour. I ain't even gonna hold you. And the nose, I think I'm gonna have to leave the nose alone. I think I contour one side of my nose. And I'm gonna take the leftover from that side that's on my brush and then do it that way, period. So I have this weird thing going on right here. So I'm going on my foundation on a smaller brush. But it still got that light shade on it, so that's why I didn't want to use it first. My contour is looking kind of funky up in here. I'm gonna add another dot. The egg jumped out the pan. So I'm about to take my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari and set it up under my eyes. October is flying by quick. Next, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Bella blush. Juvia's Place Bella blush. I'm only gonna put it on one cheek. I'm gonna put some on my nose, a little bit on my nose, just a tad bit. So for highlighter, I'm going in with my favorite highlight palette from the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I think I'm going to go more of a like a golden tone today. So I'm going to use the Golden Dawn shade. So I wanted to do like a dark lip with this. I was thinking about black, but then I was thinking about nah, not black. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's like a wine shade. I don't even know who this is from. It's from L'Oreal's collection exclusive in the shade Zoe's Red for 06. So let's see what this is hitting on. I'm gonna line my lips with my brown pencil. I'm feeling this look with this. I'm feeling this lip with this. We like that. We like this. We like this. I'm gonna put my lashes on and do my hair, and I'll be right back. So I really loved how this Halloween look came out. It's giving real spooky vibes. It's giving haunted. So it's really quick and easy. Something that you can do like as a last minute Halloween costume, and it's cheap. If you like this Halloween look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another video, and I will see you guys next time.
Bitches can't stop looking at yourself. You cute, girl.
I'm doing the look. I'm weak.